All right, suppose you have a video with a quiz in it, and now you want to assign that to students and you want that to show up in the gradebook as a grade of some sort. So, okay, look over here. This is my studio in Canvas, and I have this intro post with Studio Capture video that I want students to watch. And let's see how I can assign that. So I'm going to put this video in a couple places. The first place is going to be just in this start here part that I want them to see. So I need to actually add this as an assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click assignment and then create assignment and then give it a name. So I just called it how to make an intro post video, and I put on there with quiz. Really, it's a reminder to me that there's a quiz there, and it also lets the students know that there's a quiz there. And I'm going to click add item. Okay, it's got it here on the bottom. It's not published yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and go to edit. So I'm going to make this a 5-point quiz. I'm going to put this in my Getting Started group. I'm going to display as maybe percentage. Submission type. This is where you need to change this to external learning tool. Now I need to go find that tool, and it is under Studio. So let's scroll all the way down here and click on Studio. And now I'm going to select the video, is this one here. And I have an embedded quiz right here, intro post video quiz. And click embed media. And then you have to actually select. And now you see our video link here. I'm not going to load that into a new tab. I'm going to allow unlimited attempts. And I'm just going to take all the defaults and press save and publish. And here it is, and let's see what it would look like from the student end. So when students click into this, it's an obvious assignment. We got attempt 1, and I'm going to go ahead and press get started. Intro post. So here's our introductions, and some of the prompts may adjust a little bit. So, Okay, so students would watch that video until it comes to one of the quizzes, and it says I should use AI to create my intro post. Obviously, that answer is false. I should not use AI. And press continue. If they need to go back and rewatch a part where I say that, they can do that. Press continue, and then it moves on. Okay, another question here. I need to show a Word document or PowerPoint to have in the background during the presentation, and that is true for this one. And press continue. And again, they don't know how many questions are in this. When I set up the quiz, it's in a separate video, I set it up to where those would not show up. I've had issues in the past where students would just scrub those questions real quick and press anything in there and get correct answers and then move on. So I really want them to lean into the videos, and I don't care if they watch in double speed, but I do want them to make sure that they go through the content. Now at the very end, they're going to need to press submit quiz in order to get credit for it. And so we'll go ahead and wait here until the very end of the video. Okay, now we came to the end of the video, and now they press submit quiz. All right, so they got 2 out of 2 correct. It tells me and them how much time they spent on the video. And any feedback here is given. They can go over here and look at the gradebook. And they can scroll down and see their grade on that particular assignment. They got a 100%. And so if you do not add that as an assignment, it will not show up in the gradebook. That's why that part is important.